Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share how we actually install the reverse camera in a Hyundai i45, and this one is the generation 2011 to 2015. So at first, we definitely need to pull up the tailgate and remove the cover over here, which is holding by several little plastic clip or school style, and after that it will expose the tailgate area like this, okay, without the camera installed before. There's less of the wiring like this now, which already installed the camera. So the car, what we do is we install the high definition anti-glare supervision reverse camera, and we decide to install it over here. That this is the middle section of the back of the tailgate, and this where the camera stays. It is next to the tail line, number plate line on the left side. Okay, so the camera is there, and the camera is holding by two screws on the bracket. And now the wiring for the camera need to be done like this way. Look at this. The bottom section of the tailgate of the Hyundai i45 is a bit of special design. They have designed as a two section of metal frame. So what you see here is just all the metal frame. You have very little choice to run the wiring through this metal frame section easily. You cannot do that, and if you try to remove all the bit and piece on the back of the light here and then get this frame down, the good chance is you might break down all those parts before you actually get them down and do like normal car, like other cars. So in this case, the very best selection that we found out is we will drill a very precise hole of 3mm drill bit, go through the plate here, okay, go through this section. So look at this. There's one very small, very small. Okay, here we go. You see this? That is the one. Okay, that one. Okay, we drill a very small hole over there with the direction of like this way. Okay, this direction in. It's not perpendicular, it's not straight up. It needs to be about 45-degree angle into the plastic frame here, so it actually go in and go through the metal frame inside the tailgate. So after that, you will have to cut the camera cable. Sorry, the camera cable. Yes, cut it two part. Okay, one part is enough section, long enough section to run the camera through that 3mm hole and go into the body of the tailgate, and then you have the cable over here, and then you rejoin that cable into the connector for the camera, reverse camera here. Okay, that's all done. And after that, hold the camera by two screws. Just get 2mm drill and drill gently into the plastic, and then you can hold the camera there by two screws nicely and evenly. Okay, so it looks super clean, and that's the way the new camera will stay. Now the wiring here, look at this. The reverse light is here. Okay, and this reverse light actually has one orange and one black white attached to the back of the glove. So you select the orange one and join the trigger light, the red one from the reverse camera, into that one. So that would be enough for our system to run the camera here. And then you connect all the wiring of the camera, plug it together, tape it up, cable tie, and use wiring protection like this. Okay, and then run the wire along the factory cable over here or along here and go in. Okay, so you should use several cable ties to make sure the work is clean and secure until you go down here. You pull out this one and you see this, go all the way into that rubber port, and through that rubber port, and then you go through that and get the fitting wire, go through it and get the fitting wire, go straight up there. And after that you actually come here, you will see the fitting wire go up here, okay, right here, this section, and then you pull out the fitting wire from here on this section. Of course you already pull out the rubber where the seal to, you know, access to the fitting wire and camera line. After that, run the camera line through here to here, go to that, go to this, go to this, and then the wiring go all the way under the roof liner, go all the way here to the front, okay, and go here, go down here. Until this point you actually use the plastic remover tool to slide open the side cover, which is this one, okay, it pops out. It is plastic remover tool, easy to remove this, and then the cable stay here, okay, right here along this nit, and then you try to use a screwdriver. Look, you need to unlock to tap up this glove box, and then the glove box will drop down, okay, and at the same time you unclip this side lock on the glove box here. Let me get the torch. This is the side lock that to have soft release for the glove box, so just push it on the side way and it will come out. So now the glove box drop down and you can access this section from here. So use a tool like this, and you actually press this one to assist you to get the camera cable go into this slot, go in and then go in, and then get the camera line go in here. And from here you can drop it down into the section behind here, go all the way into it and go into the middle over here, okay, so it's over here like this, okay. So that is the way that, you know, the camera can stay, and it is stay behind the glove box. At this moment it's already here and ready to connect to the new system. Alright, that's the way we actually fit the new camera into the Hyundai i45. Hopefully it will be helpful to someone who is doing the same work, and will make a clean installation on the camera. So thanks again for watching. If you like it, please click the subscribe button. Appreciate that, and we'll see more and more of the videos. So thanks again, and we'll see you then.